Hi, Jason Stretch here, the owner of Legendary Automotive. Prior to owning Legendary Automotive, I had a very successful store in the state of New Hampshire. And during the time, the 10 years that I owned it, that business was acknowledged the top independent repair facility, recognized by AAA as the top for the entire state of New Hampshire. I've got the plaques here, 2006. Here we go, 2007.
You should have more plaques than that.
2008.
We're missing a few.
Sure do.
Yeah.
We've got another 3 right here for 11, 12.
We thought we would bring this award-winning tradition to the state of Florida.
Yeah, absolutely. So for 2021, AAA went ahead and nominated us Best Independent Repair Facility in the entire state of Florida.
Awesome.
Yeah, so rock and roll. We're going to keep this up, do this every year. We want to see an entire wall of plaques.
Absolutely.
And what can some of our customers, Stephen, expect from being a AAA customer?
AAA customers, when they come in, they do get a complimentary vehicle inspection. They are also getting a 10% discount on parts and labor up to $50 per visit.
That's awesome.
As well as, free pickup delivery. We offer a lot of extra services for our AAA members to try to make the repair process as seamless and painless as possible.
Awesome. So whether or not you're a AAA customer, come check us out at Legendary or visit us on legendaryfl.com or call us at 239-277-1004.
Come see what award-winning service is like.